I've literally just found the quickest way to strip copper wire without having to buy anything apart from a Stanley blade and if you've got a drill. First, you need to find something like a workbench or like this, or you can just drill a bit of wood to the wall to probably do this with. Next, drill a hole through the wood using a bit that's either 0.5 or 1 mil bigger than your actual cable size. Next, you want to come behind the wood and you want to poke your copper wire through. Next, you want to stuff your Stanley blade into the hole so it goes across it and it just cuts off above the copper wire. Then proceed to pull. And strip. And that is how you strip copper wire with a £1.50 Stanley blade. If you don't have a drill, borrow one. Be sure to like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks, peace out.
Stop! Whoever can guess how much copper is here once all the cable's stripped, I'll Cash App or PayPal £100 too. Leave your answer in the comments. Closest answer wins.